I don't see any spark. I don't think the cylinder looked all that bad. I mean, usually they have lines and crap all over them. When I pull it over, I don't see any sparks. Well, when you change out the pull rope there, you got to put that spark plug deal and coil wire back just right, or it'll pinch it and short it out. And I think that's what the deal is. But I think we'll have to look at it tomorrow, but I don't see no sparking happening here. No spark. Yeah, it's got something to do with the, when he said he changed the pull rope, then it never would start. Well, I heard another guy on here, I wish I could give guys credit, can't remember which one, I watch a lot of videos. He said, if you don't put this coil wire back just right, it's got a little groove it goes in, it'll short out. And that was the first thing I thought when the guy put it up for sale. He said, so change the pull rope and clean the carburetor and put a new spark plug, did all this, new air filter, and she won't start. Well, he didn't say it didn't have no spark, but it don't have none. Alright, well, I'm going to end this video. We'll look at it some more tomorrow. It's late. But anyway, I just couldn't, I don't know, you guys probably can't see the dang thing. Let's watch it again. I've never seen spark. Watch for spark. You see any spark? Probably not. Alright, well, I'm going to end this video. I haven't seen none yet. Over and out.